Today we'll be talking about conifers, or cone-bearing trees. When compared to their leafy deciduous cousins, conifers grow taller, have thicker trunks, expand to greater volume, and live longer. They also have a uniquely simple life cycle and adapt easily to a constantly changing environment. It's a good reminder of an idea so important to mindfulness: impermanence. That is, that everything is always changing, in our minds, our bodies, and the world around us. Take an autumn walk through any of the northern woods on our planet, and amid the fallen leaves and acorns on the forest floor, it's hard to miss the pine cones that have fallen from the conifers above you. It's the same as you look up. With the forest canopy mostly empty, the conifers stand out thanks to their conical shape and drooping lower branches, which reduce heavy snow build-up during winter. Take a deep breath, and something else catches your attention. Their resin, made to protect the tree from infestation by insects and infection by fungi, gives them a characteristic fragrance, which fills the forest. Similarly, feel their green needles, coated with a waxy substance which reduces water loss. Unlike deciduous flowering trees, where the male and female parts are both contained within the same flower, there are actually two separate cones for reproduction on a conifer, one male and one female. The bulky ones you've found on the ground with the large scales are the female cones. The male cones, long and thin, form at the bases of branches lower in the tree and have come and gone. Present for only a matter of weeks in springtime, they make the pollen that is blown upward by the wind to the female cones. This begins a seed-generating process, which, depending on the conifer, can take months to years. But eventually, the scales of the female cone hinge open and release the seeds, where they are scattered in the breeze and drift to the ground. Come spring, if conditions are favourable, a new seedling will germinate and begin to grow. After decades, the successful conifer will reach maturity and begin making cones of its own. It is a cycle that has been recurring for over 250 million years, providing yet another example of how sometimes the simplest of cycles allows species to perpetually endure in an ever-changing environment.